Welcome back to Kamal Kunj Home Academy, an encounter with mathematics. In this session, we will discuss about the general equation of a circle. Now, we know that the standard equation of a circle the standard equation of a circle with hk coordinates at center and radius r is given by x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is the standard equation of a circle where h and k are the coordinates of the center and r is the radius of the circle. Now this implies that x square minus twice hx plus h square plus y square minus twice ky plus k square equal to r square. This implies that x square plus y square minus twice hx minus twice ky plus h square plus k square minus r square equal to 0. Now this can be written as x square plus y square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c equal to 0, where minus h equal to g minus k is equal to f and h square plus k square minus r square equal to c. Hence, this is the equation of general form of circle. This is the equation of a circle in general form. Therefore, equation of a circle in general form is given by x square plus y square plus twice gx twice fy plus c equal to 0. Now conversely, let us consider let equation is x square plus y square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c equal to 0. Then now this equation can be written as imply that x square plus twice gx plus g square plus y square plus twice fy plus f square equal to g square plus f square minus c. Now this implies that this is the perfect square of x plus g whole square plus this is the perfect square of y plus f whole square, and this will be equal to g square plus f square minus c. And this implies that this can be written as x minus g whole square plus y minus f whole square equal to g square plus f square minus c whole square. And this implies that x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to g square plus f square minus c whole square. Here minus g equal to h minus f equal to k, and is equal to r square. R equal to b square plus f square minus c. Now this equation will represent a circle. Equation will represent a circle if g square plus f square minus c is greater than 0. Now if g square plus f square minus c is less than 0, then the equation does not represent a circle. Now if g square plus f square minus c is equal to 0, then represent a point circle. Therefore, hence general equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus twice gx plus twice Fy plus C equal to 0. Where minus G and minus F represent the center and radius is equal to G square plus F square minus C. So this is the general equation of a circle. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.